Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn about a reverse Carnot cycle. Reverse Carnot cycle. Okay. In this process, we are going to learn about the Carnot cycle, but reverse Carnot cycle we are going to learn. Okay. So Carnot cycle get reverse. Carnot cycle get reverse. Then 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 it will become heat pump or refrigerator cycle or refrigeration cycle. Okay, ठीक है. So reverse Carnot cycle we are drawing a PV diagram. This is P pressure, V volume, T for temperature and S for entropy. Okay, so PV diagram. And this is a TS diagram. Okay, this is PV diagram and TS diagram. This is point 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4. Okay, from the directions the 1 2 3 and 4 in this TS diagram, heat will be added, that is Q supplied, and it will from this heat is rejected. Okay, and this PV diagram. Okay, these two isentropic and this will reverse isothermally. Okay, so now next we will draw or we will write a processes from these two diagrams. Okay, from 1 to 2 process, what we'll get in this process, we are getting a air or gas. Air will compress isentropically. And internal energy will increases. Okay, in next 2 to 3 process. Okay, in this process the air is compressed isothermally. Air will be compressed isothermally and the heat is rejected to the atmosphere. Next is 3 to 4. We will this heat is rejected to the atmosphere. From 2 to 3. That is the heat is rejected. Okay, and from this internal energy will increases from 1 to 2. 1 to 2 is increases from the level from 1 to 2. That is internal energy will be increases. From 3 to 4, what will happen? It will be air expanded. Air is expanded, which isentropically, because these two processes are isentropic. Isentropically means the decreases, which will be expand. Okay, and same internal energy will be decreases. Next is from process 4 to 1, 4 to 1 process, and this will be 4 to 1. In this process air will expand isothermally. Air will be expand isothermally, and during this process heat is absorbed. Heat will be absorbed to the system. Okay, so these are the 4 processes from 1 to 2, 2 to 3, 3 to 4, and again back to 4 to 1, because it okay. Next is the parameters. T1 is equal to, T1 is the temperature maintained in the refrigerator. Okay, and T2 is the temperature of surrounding or atmosphere, that is heat rejected. Okay, student, the two terms, that is isentropic. What is meant by isentropic? It is a constant entropy process. Similarly, the isothermal process is a constant temperature process. Okay, so from this we are finding the heat rejected and heat supplied. That is, heat rejected is denoted by QR. QR is, what is QR? That is heat rejected. Heat will be rejected from the process of 2 and 3. Okay, at the temperature, the T2 is maintained at T2. Temperature is maintained at T2 level. T2, that is S2 minus S3. Okay, and heat will be supplied, that is denoted by QS, that is a T1. Heat will be supplied during the process 4 to 1. Okay, so that is S1 minus S4. Okay, S1 minus S4. From this we are finding net work done. Net work done is Q rejected minus Q supplied. Okay, Q rejected minus Q supplied. Okay, next is we are finding the efficiency of Carnot engine. That is denoted by Carnot engine. Okay, will be W net divided by a Q supplied, heat supplied. Okay, we know that supplied is T1 S1 minus S4, and W net, that is work done net, is QR minus QS. That is, we are getting QR minus QS divided by QS. Okay, by solving this we are getting QR upon QS minus 1. But we know that the value of QR and QS is known, putting these values from these two equations. Okay, so QR is T2 S2 minus S3 divided by T1 S1 minus S4 minus 1. But we know that, what will we know? The from this process, from this TS diagram, value of S1 and S2 will be same. ठीक है? From TS diagram, the value of S1 is equal to S2 and S3 is equal to S4. See, 1 is equal to 2, that is 3 is equal to 4 from TS diagram. Okay, then putting this all the values in these equations. Okay, putting all these values in equation A. Okay, so we are getting efficiency of Carnot engine is equal to, what will this? By solving this, we are getting S1 minus S3 and T1, putting S1 as it is. Okay, S1 as it is, and S4 is S3 minus 1. This will get cancelled. We are getting T2 upon T1 minus 1. Okay, this is the efficiency of a Carnot engine. Next is, we are finding coefficient of performance. ठीक है, that is the heat absorbed by the system divided by the net work done. ठीक है, heat absorbed means heat supplied and net work done is W net. ठीक है, heat supplied as it is QR minus QS. Okay, QR minus QS. What is the value of QS from this T1? S1 minus S4. QR is T2 S2 minus S3 minus T1 S1 minus S4. Okay, by solving these all equations using TS diagram, also using TS diagram, so we are getting finally T1 S1 minus S4 divided by T2, convert it S2 and S3 into a S1 and S4. ठीक है, we know that S2 is equal to what? S1, and S3 is equal to what? S4, minus this will be as it is, S1 minus S4. Okay, what will get? T1 S1 minus S4 divided by T2 minus T1 S1 minus S4. S1 minus S4 will be getting common and will be cancelled with each other. Finally, we are getting T1 upon T2 minus T1. Okay, that is COP, coefficient of performance of refrigerator. Coefficient of performance of refrigerator will be T1 upon T2 minus T1. From this equation, we are conclude that, what will be conclude? When COP is improved, or COP is improved by lowering the by lowering the high temperature, okay, or vice versa. Means by raising the temperature we are getting the COP is lowering. Okay. Next is this is the COP of refrigerator. Okay, and this will be the Carnot engine efficiency. Okay, this is Carnot engine efficiency, and this will be the COP of refrigerator or pump. Okay. Next is the limitations. What are the limitations? Limitations of a Carnot cycle. Limitations of Carnot cycle. First is, what are the limitations of Carnot cycle? Listen carefully. The reversible, that is reversible isentropic process and the isothermal. The reversible isentropic process and isothermal process are impractical in practice. Okay, impractically the reversible isotropic process and reversible isothermal process will be not possible. Okay, for this the heat absorption and the rejection are some temperature difference has to be maintained between the two substance. ज्यावेळेस आपल्याला दोन सबस्टन्समध्ये टेम्परेचर डिफरन्स मेंटेन करायचा असतो त्यावेळेस हे पॉसिबल होत नाही ज्यावेळेस रिव्हर्सिबल आयसोट्रोपिक आणि आयसोथर्मल प्रोसेस आपण वर्किंगमध्ये आणण्याचा प्रयत्न करतो. सो दिस इज अ इम्प्रॅक्टिकल. ओके, इम्प्रॅक्टिकल प्रोसेस आर रिव्हर्सिबल आयसोट्रोपिक and isothermal process. Next is the isothermal process. The isothermal process, it required very slow speed for the operation. When we perform the isothermal process, it required very slow speed. हे खूप स्लो स्पीडनं वर्क होतं आयसोथर्मल प्रोसेस. दॅट्स वाय it is very difficult to maintain the speed of a isothermal process between the operations. Okay, and third one is the vapor used in refrigerator or refrigerant. The vapor is used in refrigerant and it need phase change. It need a phase change, and during this phases change the heat absorption and the heat rejection process simultaneous the wet compression process will be result out. ठीक आहे, म्हणजे ज्यावेळेस आपण व्हेपर यूज करतो रेफ्रिजरंट म्हणून त्यावेळेस फेज चेंजेस होतात आणि फेज चेंजेस झाल्यामुळं हीट रिजेक्शन, हीट ॲब्झॉर्प्शन किंवा वेट कॉम्प्रेशन प्रोसेस विल बी फाउंड or will be result. ठीक आहे, ड्यू टू this all are very difficult to achieve this all the process in between the process. That's why this should be the limitations of a Carnot cycle. ठीक आहे, so these three are the limitations of Carnot cycle, and these all the some mathematical expression for a reverse Carnot cycle for the finding the efficiency of a Carnot engine and the COP, that is coefficient of performance of a refrigerator in terms of T1 and T2. Okay, so thank you very much to all of you.